Alright guys, it is time for the Alien 3D UFO box that I got in the mail today. I'm Walter, and this is Kuntry 3D. Alright, so let's see what we got. I believe that this should be the Alien 3D box. So let's get in here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Alien UFO box. It's time for another monthly box. Let's turn on the overhead and let's see what we got in the box. Shall we? First, let's open her up. And we have the, of course, we have the U.F.O. Zyltech, I don't know, Maker Geeks, Polymaker, Matter Hackers, Capricorn, and the mothership. All right, fantastic. Don't forget to invite your friends. Thank you. This last month has been a bit crazy. All right, so we have, this month I was inspired by Dan the 3D printing dad and his 3D printed clock. I wanted something to do something practical this month, and with his permission, I've created a couple designs to go along with the clock parts in the UFO. And I'm also linking to Dan's clock on the website alien3d.us/UFO0003. I hope you have fun with this project and look forward to your shares on Twitter. Probes have been launched, seeking targets. All right, cool beans. All right, so let's lay this right over here. Mystery PLA. All right, it is a mystery PLA. I don't know. It looks like through the label you can see Zyltech or Zyltech or whatever, but it's a mystery PLA. It doesn't, it's kind of hard to read because there's a QR code that you got to scan right on top. So that's one of the filaments. Oh, here's a big nice bag. Nice pretty yellow. Polymaker Yellow Polylight PLA. Extruder 190 to 230, bed 0 to 50C. Nice good roll of that. It also has a QR code. I'm trying to get these correct here. There we go. All right, so there's two. Number 3. Oh, this looks nice. This is Zyltech 12% wood fill PLA. Beautiful, beautiful. Can't wait to see what that does. Ooh, wait now. All right, so now we have Matter Hackers Green Build Series PLA. Nice roll of Matter Hackers Green. I know, my focus is not working worth a crap. There you go. 4, but wait. There's a 5th roll of Maker Geeks, red or blue, Crystal Raptor HT PLA. So we have 5 rolls of filament this month. Oh wait, there's more. Oh, check it, I got an E-Fruity pizza. It's part of my candy. But then I got another, oh, this is an E-Fruity mini burger. All right, we'll try those out. Then in here, it looks like oh wait, there's more. I got an E-Fruity hot dog. And then it looks like I have some hands and some clock parts. Let me see if I can get the camera over here a little better for that. Yeah, there we go. Got some oh, get out of the way. Hands and clock parts. There's a clock motor that takes a AA battery. Standard clock parts. Wait, there's more. I have a Capricorn tubing sticker right here. And then Capricorn tubing cutters. How cool is that? So this is a fantastic box. For those of you that want to sign up, you can use the code Kuntry Klub, KUNTRYKLUB, to get 15% off every month off of your box. Josh is a fantastic guy. at Alien 3D. Started the company, well, this is the 3rd box. So that's really cool. Oh, I didn't get it back in there right. Hold on. Gotta get it stacked right or it won't fit back in the box. I don't know how he crams all of this stuff in this box. I'm telling you, the box is crammed slap full. It is just full of stuff. Full, full, full. And it's a good looking box. Oh, come on. Get down in there. There we go. Now I got it closed. All right. Get out of the way, camera. So, the UFO box has arrived for August. So, you guys that aren't subscribed already, go out to alien3d.us and get you one. And I do not have the logo on here or the website, and I'll fix that before next month. Next month I'm going to do a better unboxing. This is the first time I haven't done one live, I believe. So, nope, second time. I'll get better at these. I'm new to unboxing. So, y'all come back and see us. I'm Walter. This is the Kuntry Klub, and go get you a UFO box. Alien3d.us.